Welcome to this training. Before we go ahead and get into it, I want to get you guys motivated and excited. So what I want to do is I want to show some quick testimonials from my previous students that have gone through the same exact process you're about to go through. In the top left-hand corner, we've got Jonathan Montoya, who within his first day generated over $1,000, exactly $1,125. We've got previous students like Ray Dems who said, well, if you were ever curious on the work it takes to open a retail store, I actually went ahead and took the plunge. I want to shout out Joshua Elder, as back in 2014, I told him I am pursuing my online business in order to build up funds to invest into my own grocery store. So a special thanks goes out to you, buddy. Thanks, Ray. Appreciate that. He's one of my first students that's followed the same exact process you're about to go through. And his overall goal was to start his own grocery store. So this may be the end-all be-all for you. It may be a stepping stone to your passion. Whatever it is, we're going to help you get there. We've got Tanya Jennings, who said 90% of your success is your mindset. Believe you can, and you are already there. And you can see all of her transactions along with the payment date between April 15th and April 27th. She had roughly $5,000 come through there. Then we've got Marissa Romero, who says, holy crap, Josh, I knew this system would convert better, but my goodness, it's on fire. It hasn't even been a week yet, and I'm over $5,000. Thanks again for helping me get started. I'm setting up my own follow-up series similar to yours as well with the results. Works so well. And then we've got one of my most recent success students, Karen Mero, who said, hi, my biggest month was $11,000 and biggest day, $2,000. Oh, I actually had two $2,000 days. So congratulations to you, Karen. And then we have another one of my clients in the bottom right-hand corner who said, I actually started binge watching your content after finding the beginner ClickBank product video a while back. He's referring to my YouTube channel. And I've been following along with your high ticket videos and now your high ticket affiliate program. Just wanted to say thank you, man. I hit my first multiple six-figure year this year, and I've been reaching out to a few of the creators who really helped me get to where I'm at today. And that's Chet there. Then we've got Lauren Alonzo, who said, woke up this morning feeling blessed. Finally made my first sale. As you can see in the screenshot here, she made a $500 commission and had a $500 notification come through. Then we've got John Rubin, who received his first $1,000 commission. He says, this one's from earlier. Thanks for all the support. It's an honor. And then we've got Eric Ellis, who says, bro, my PayPal notifications is blowing the freak up. I made over $8,000 in the last 7 days, the most money I've ever made in my life. I can't thank you enough, Josh. I love you. Love you too, bro. This is life-changing. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you some previous results I got before I implemented this process, and then results after I did implement this process. So my previous results still pretty dang good. This was back in 2015. That year I did over six figures, $137,704. And then you've got in 2016, $264,324. And then 2017, $179,824. And then in 2018, $203,411. So although I'm still making a six-figure and even a multiple six-figure income, this is the paradigm switch that took place that changed everything for me. And it allowed me to far exceed my income last year in just a matter of 6 months. You can see here that from 1/1/2019, that's January 1st, 2019 to 6/23, June 23rd, 2019, my average income month after month has been $53,361.89. And overall, I've done $305,050. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Here's what we'll cover specifically. Number one, the hybrid high-ticket affiliate business model I use to double my income. Number two, the simple one-page website that allows me to generate $500 to $2,000 commissions daily and reach the top of the affiliate leaderboards in just a few short months. And then number three, how you can copy my whole entire business for yourself without any prior knowledge or experience. So what is hybrid high-ticket affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's promoting other people's low-ticket, mid-ticket, and high-ticket products through a step-by-step systematic process. So here's a screen that will show you the difference between low ticket, mid ticket, and even high ticket products. So usually low to mid ticket products will pay you 50% commissions on average. And these products range anywhere between $27 all the way up to $497. And the average conversion rate on these products are anywhere between 1 to 2%. And that's really just industry average. So if you were to send 100 visitors to your website, then you would predictably get about 2 sales on a $497 product, and that would yield about $497. And then you have high ticket, which will pay you about 30 to 50% commission on average. So on a $2,000 product, you're going to get paid, if we're talking about 50% commissions, right around $1,000 per commission. And here's the important point right here about high ticket. You're going to get that same 1 to 2% conversion rate, and even a 5% conversion rate if you're offering bonuses, which we will talk about in just a second. So if you send 100 visitors to your website, you get 2 sales at 50% commissions. That's $2,000 with the same amount of work. So one of the theories is that you have to put in more work to make more money. But if you have a good system in process that will do all the selling and telling for you, you can earn those higher ticket commissions, those mid ticket, and even those low ticket commissions simultaneously without having to do really any extra work whatsoever. So let's go ahead and talk about the hybrid high ticket affiliate marketing business model. So step number 1, you're going to send people to what's called an opt-in form. This could be from social media, it could be from Facebook, it could be from YouTube, it could be from Instagram, it could be from your email list. And what you're going to do is you're going to get people to opt into an opt-in form. So the purpose of this page is to simply accomplish one thing: get people to enter their names and email addresses in exchange for value. Once they enter their names and email addresses, or just simply their email addresses, they get logged into an autoresponder service. This could be a service like GetResponse, Kartra, Aweber, MailChimp, so on and so forth. This will give you the opportunity, if they decide to go through step 2 and step 3, they decide not to buy, then you have the opportunity to follow up with them through an autoresponder series to eventually get them to buy your stuff. An autoresponder series is just simply emails that go out on your behalf automatically every single day to build a know, like, and trust with your audience to eventually get them to buy. So after they fill out their information on step 1, they're going to go to step 2. This is called a bridge page. And what this does is it bridges people from step 1 to step 3. So it gives them what they asked for in step 1. And it delivers value. And through delivering this value, you show that you are an expert. You show that you know exactly what you're talking about. It builds a bond and a relationship with that consumer that's watching that video or consuming that content. And then what they do is they click the link below that video and they get access to the next step, which is step 3. So step 2 is to really show sort of a 10,000 foot overview of what you promised on step 1. And then if they want the rest of that information, in other words, you're kind of giving them an appetizer. If they want the rest of that information in its entirety, they then go on to step 3. When they go to step 3, they complete a form right here and they opt in once again for what I like to call a hybrid system. So the purpose of a hybrid system is to sell multiple products on your behalf. In other words, what it will do is it will guide people step by step to buy different products that will help them get to their end goal, whatever that may be. For example, if somebody's going through a weight loss systematic process, a hybrid system like this, they would probably, number 1, they would need a diet regimen, right? Step number 2, they might need a diet coach. Step number 3, they might need a actual workout plan, so on and so forth. And so what you can do is you can actually sell individual products that will help them get to their end goal inside of a hybrid system. So in this case, there is 5 different income streams that I actually sent people to. Income stream number 1, income stream number 2, income stream number 3, income stream number 4, and income stream number 5. So when people sign up for these 5 different income streams, I actually earn a commission off of each of these income streams. So for example, income stream number 1, I was able to earn $162,250. Income stream number 2, I've been able to earn $11,850. Income stream number 3, I've been able to earn over $25,000 if you include the pending balance with the already paid balance. Income 4, I was able to earn over $9,000. And income 5, I was able to earn over $9,000 if you include the already paid with the pending balance. So this is sort of what it looked like. It was very simple. I sent people from step 1 to step 2 to step 3. They would sign up for all the income streams that you just went through, and that's how I would get paid. And then there was one little extra caveat to this. I included what I like to call a bonus page. And so step 4 was all about sending emails on the back end after they signed up for the hybrid system that would entice them to sign up for a higher level in income stream number 1. So if we go back here to income stream number 1, this $162,250 was of course a result of plugging them into the hybrid system. But what I did is I did something on the back end to improve my conversions within the hybrid system that much more. And this is exactly what I did. I set up this one-page website that literally 10x'd my income, and it looked something like this. It said the program that has allowed me to earn $100,000 in 98 days and how you can copy my whole entire business for yourself. And I essentially walked them through this specific income stream in this program, and then I offered bonuses to entice them to upgrade to certain levels. So in this first income stream that I explained, there was different levels that people could come in at. They could come in at like a $25 level. They could come in at a $100 level, $250 level, $500, $1,000, and even a $2,000 level. So what I did is I put together a special bonus package for people that signed up at least at the $500 level or above. And this bonus package included me walking them step by step how I was able to earn $100,000 in 98 days. And what I did is I tucked it away nicely in a membership site. So I'd shoot a series of videos walking them through this case study of how I was able to create $100,000 in 98 days. And that obviously resulted in some pretty awesome commissions. So again, what is a bonus? A bonus is a free product or service that incentivizes someone to make a purchase or an upgrade. And really why you want to offer bonuses, I think the case study speaks for itself, but it's going to improve your conversions by as much as 10 times. As a result, you can crush leaderboards and win prizes. I'm going to show you the result that I got from a recent promotion and the leaderboards that I hit. What it also does is it covers gaps that the initial product wouldn't otherwise cover. So if you have a product that teaches people, for example, in this case, how to build a business online, and it might show some Facebook strategies on how to get traffic, how to get leads and sales, but maybe you're an expert at YouTube and you can teach them some YouTube strategies. And that's essentially what I did is I showed them some YouTube strategies so then they can get to their goals faster and supplement YouTube with the other traffic methods they're already implementing. So that really helped increase those conversions. It also allows you to create your own products and get paid in the process. So what you can do is you can take these bonuses, give them to other people for upgrading at certain levels in a product or program, and you can eventually take those same bonuses and turn it into your own membership site and then eventually sell it for a cost. So here's what bonuses have done for me. You can see that I've only been promoting this now for about the past 7 months. And you can see that I'm already number 3 on the leaderboard for the last year. I'm number 2 for the last 6 months. I'm number 2 for the last 3 months. And I'm number 3 for the last 30 days. And it's also helped me and even some of my team members win contests. So you can see that this contest was running from the 23rd of January to the 3rd of February, and I took number 1. So I was able to win a marketer's cruise for 2, valued at $3,000 or $2,000 in cash. So you guys can see that undoubtedly bonuses work and they work extremely well and have allowed me to earn more in this one income stream alone than just by promoting the hybrid business model by itself. So you can see what these bonuses have done for me compared to other people that are promoting the same product the same way. So here's the idea. So instead of doing what most people do and simply sending people just from step 1 to step 3, I added step 4 on the back end to literally double my income and reach the top of affiliate leaderboards. So my question is, how would you like to copy this whole entire process? If you're interested and you want access to my done-for-you emails, the hybrid system, the bonus page, the actual bonus training to pass off as your own, and my traffic sources, click the link below to learn more about the high-ticket Affiliate Accelerator program.